Fixing purple light on Linksys router. Check internet connection. Ensure your modem has a stable connection. The router might indicate no internet access. Restart router, unplug, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh the connection. Check Ethernet cables. Ensure all cables are securely connected. A loose connection can trigger the purple light. Confirm modem router link. Connect directly to the modem to rule out issues with the ISP. Power cycle modem and router. Turn off both devices, wait a minute, and turn them back on. Update firmware. Log into the router's admin panel and check for firmware updates. Reset router settings. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to return to factory defaults. Reconfigure router. Log in and follow the setup instructions again if settings were lost. Test with different devices. Ensure the issue isn't device-specific by connecting multiple devices to the network. Thank you for watching.